Ever asked your phone for the weather or noticed a movie suggestion that was spot on? That's AI in action. It's not science fiction. AI is already woven into your daily routine. When your camera focuses on a face or brightens a sky, that's AI working behind the scenes. Your social media feed? AI decides what you see, learning from your likes and shares. Shopping online? AI recommends products and even helps protect your bank account from fraud. It's your invisible assistant, sorting information, making life easier, and keeping you connected. From entertainment to security, AI is always learning and adapting. It's not just for scientists. AI is in your pocket, your car, and your computer. Understanding AI is for everyone now. When you know how it works, you can appreciate how it's shaping our world. The future isn't far off. It's here, powered by AI. So next time you use your phone or computer, remember, you're already living with AI. Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? Simply put, it's the science of making machines smart. Smart, for a machine, means learning, understanding language, recognizing objects, solving problems, and making decisions. Unlike regular programs that follow strict instructions, AI adapts and learns from new information. Think of a regular program as a recipe, always the same cake. AI is a chef, creating new dishes and improving with feedback. AI's goal is to perform tasks intelligently and efficiently, often faster than humans. With so much data created every day, AI helps us find patterns and insights we'd never spot ourselves. It's not just about robots. Think smart software and helpful systems that extend our abilities. AI learns, reasons, and perceives the world just like we do, but at incredible speed and scale. It's about teaching machines to learn and adapt. This is a world-changing idea. AI helps us solve big challenges. So, next time you hear artificial intelligence, think of it as a powerful tool, not just a sci-fi fantasy. The possibilities are endless. AI is here to help us, not replace us. Let's see what it can do. Not all AI is the same. There are two main types, specialists and all-rounders. Artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, is the specialist. It's great at one thing, like playing chess, recommending songs, or filtering spam. Most AI you use daily is ANI, your phone's face unlock, Google Maps, or your email's spam filter. These systems are powerful but limited. They don't understand or think beyond their task. Then there's Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, the all-rounder. AGI would be a machine that can learn and solve any problem, just like a human. It could switch from deep conversations to fixing a faucet or composing music. But AGI doesn't exist yet. It's still a dream researchers are working toward. Creating AGI is a huge challenge, far beyond today's narrow AI. So when you hear about AI breakthroughs, remember, we're talking about smart specialists, not all-knowing machines. Understanding this difference helps you see where AI is now and where it might go. The future of AI is still being written. Stay curious. How do machines get smart? It's all about data, and lots of it. Most AI learns through machine learning. Instead of following rules, it learns from examples. Imagine teaching a child what a cat is by showing pictures. The child learns patterns: pointy ears, whiskers, feline eyes. Machine learning works the same way. Feed it thousands of labeled images, cat or not cat, and it finds the patterns. At first it makes mistakes, but with each error, it improves. This process repeats until the AI gets really good at recognizing cats, or anything else. Deep learning, a more advanced method, uses neural networks inspired by the brain to learn complex patterns. This powers voice assistants and self-driving cars. Once trained, the AI can make predictions on new data, like spotting a cat in a photo it's never seen. The more and better data it gets, the smarter it becomes. AI learning isn't magic, it's math and pattern recognition. It's about using data to predict and solve real-world problems. That's how AI learns and why it keeps getting better. The smarter the data, the smarter the AI. Let's see AI in action in your world. Your streaming service suggests what to watch next. AI analyzes your habits and compares them to millions of others. Navigation apps like Google Maps use real-time data to find the fastest route, predicting traffic before it happens. Smart assistants like Siri or Alexa use natural language processing to understand your voice and carry out commands. Even searching the internet is powered by AI. Google's algorithms try to understand your question, not just match words. AI sorts through billions of web pages to find the best answers. These aren't just novelties. AI powers the services you rely on every day. It makes them smarter, faster, and more personal. From entertainment to travel to information, AI is everywhere. It's the engine behind your digital life. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. AI is quietly transforming your world. Want to try AI yourself? You don't need to be a tech expert. There are easy, fun tools online for everyone. Try AI image generators like DALL-E or Mid-Journey. Type a prompt and watch art appear. Chat with language models like ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask questions, brainstorm, or write stories. Explore Google's Teachable Machine. Train a simple AI to recognize images or sounds using your webcam. These tools let you experiment and learn by doing, no coding required. You'll see how prompts work and how AI interprets your ideas. It's a hands-on way to understand AI's power and its limits. Dive in and play. The best way to learn is to try it yourself. AI is creating new careers and opportunities everywhere. Machine learning engineers build the models powering your favorite apps. Data scientists analyze massive data sets to find insights and trends. But you don't have to be a coder. AI needs product managers, ethicists, writers, designers, and more. People from all backgrounds are shaping how AI is built and used. Whether you love solving puzzles, telling stories, or designing products, there's a place for you in AI. The field is growing fast and the impact is huge. AI is built by teams with diverse skills and ideas. Your passion could help shape the future of technology. Ready to learn more? The best AI education is just a click away, and often free. Top institutions offer beginner-friendly courses online, no expensive degree required. Try AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera for a non-technical introduction. Google's AI for Anyone program explains core concepts with real-world examples. Udacity's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence covers everything from robotics to language processing. Prefer reading? The University of Helsinki's Elements of AI is a free, interactive course praised worldwide. These resources break down complex ideas into simple, practical lessons. You can learn at your own pace, from the best in the field. Build your AI knowledge without spending a dime. The future of learning is online. Start your journey today. Your AI adventure starts now. We've explored how AI works, where it's used, and how you can try it yourself. You don't need to be a math whiz, just curious. Learning about AI is becoming a new kind of literacy, like learning the internet in the 90s. It will help you in your career, your daily life, and as a citizen in a tech-driven world. Start small, try a tool, watch a video, or take a free course. Embrace not knowing. That's where discovery begins. The more you engage, the more it all makes sense. The future isn't something that happens to you, it's something you help build. By learning AI, you're empowering yourself to shape what comes next. The resources are there, and the community is welcoming. So go for it. Your journey in artificial intelligence begins today. The possibilities are limitless.